This could be your first product from an idea in your head or your 100th reorder. Either way, before you put thousands of dollars into inventory, you need to know who can make it for you at the highest quality and what your options are. Anyone could have 25 tabs open on Alibaba messaging suppliers just to see if they understand your elaborate message on what you're looking for, and all you get back is emoji responses and messages with incomplete information. And sourcing doesn't just mean finding something that already exists and slapping your logo on it. There's a lot of things we can look at for you. Maybe the issue is finding the right factory, getting a better price, getting the MOQ down because it's just too high, or just getting samples in your hand before you commit to a large order. Or maybe the product already exists and you just want to make it yours. That could mean changing the ingredient, changing the size of the bottle. Maybe you want a white cap, maybe you want a green cap or a different color bottle. All of these things, the packaging, improving a feature on a product that you don't like the version of to bring an improved product to market, we can do. And sometimes the product you want isn't sitting in a supplier catalog. Maybe you need something more custom, a custom shape, a component, a design. You need tooling and a mold made. This is an example of golf grips that we created a custom mold and grip for to bring a new and improved quality product to market. And finding the factory is only part of the process. Once you decide to place an order, you can also get samples, you can have the products inspected, arranging a freight shipment, customs, cargo insurance, and getting the inventory all the way from the factory to your destination. And those are all parts of the process that our team helps coordinate. And the goal isn't just to find you a link to a factory. It's to have everything made from start to finish, get it inspected, and have it shipped safely all the way here so that you can start making sales. And if you're already selling, don't think that this is only for launching something new. Send us the products that you're ordering right now. Send us the current specs, the quote, and before your next reorder, let's see what other options are out there. Maybe we can save you money. Your first product for us to source is only $250 for the labor and $50 per additional product that you want us to find. Let's say you submit for us to source this knife for you and you're happy with the quote and you decide to move forward with your first inventory order. That $250 will go towards your first product credit. Otherwise, it covered our labor to do so. So whether you're starting from an idea, you want an existing product, or you want to improve on an item that you're already ordering by the thousands, click below, tell us exactly what you're looking for, and let our sourcing team get to work. Complete your payment below, and immediately after checkout, you're gonna get an email that you'll receive with our sourcing onboarding form. That's where you can tell us exactly what you're looking for. Provide pictures to the products that you wanna source, your existing product, links to competitor products, the specs, all of the details. If it's an ingredients-based product, all of the ingredients. The more specific information you tell us that has the most detail, the easier we can get to work and get your product to market. With this information, it'll help our team understand exactly what you're looking for. And if we have any further questions, we will follow up with you for more details. From there, give our team approximately 1 to 3 weeks to research the product, reach out to our existing suppliers, reach out to our different manufacturers, compare all of these options of available pricing, the minimum order quantities, customization options, and other relevant details. Once we've completed that process, we'll reach back out with the sourcing results and the quote we were able to obtain so that you can make the best option and decision on whether you want to move forward, and we can get a sample to your door. So if you're ready, complete the checkout below, watch for our sourcing email directly into your inbox, tell us exactly what you're looking for, and we'll take it from there. We look forward to working with you and bringing your product idea to life at the highest quality with one of the best pricing structures for you and your brand, building a long-term working relationship together, setting the foundation for your brand moving into the future.